So, I was cruising the TikTok shop and there was a sale, flash sale on Temporal Forces ETBs. And so I picked up both of these for under $32 each. So I think I did pretty good. We don't really have time in one video to open both of these, so we're gonna open one and then I'll open the second one in a different video. So let's open this guy. So it's a pretty good price, I thought. And this is what they came out in the 22nd, so they just came out officially. And I just received them. So let's take a look at what's in there. And like always, we have our book showing all our different cards. And in our box, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs of Temporal Forces. We have a foil card, Flutter main, put them over there. Of course, energy, our dividers, our code card, dice, coins, and some sleeves. So our foil card, nice card. Very cool. So let's open our first pack. I was watching some YouTube and they're saying that hit rate on this set seems to be pretty low. So let's see how we do here. Pikachu. Got that devotion going with a little guidance. And another Flutter main. Find out Flutter mains, I didn't see that as super popular on here, but maybe it is. Maybe it's going to end up being more popular than I think. Rockruff, Litten, Shroomish, Lickitung, Iron Hands, nice. Morty. Mr. Mime and Iron Valiant, nice. Merle, hold it. Elton. Ancient Booster. Iron Treads. A Miradon. Skitty. More Devotion. Sorry. A Master Ball. Sometimes those can be worse ones. We'll check that one out. And my cargo. Middle of the packs right now. Litten. Dunsparce and Roaring Moon. Oops. Code card. Rosilla. Pelipin. Screamtail. Oh, look at that. Bronzer. Nice. And Feraligatr. Whatever. Shroomish. Lickitung. Slugma. Iron Hands. Lickitung. Reverse. Screamtail. And Iron Boulder. Beautyfly, Trooper, Ponyta, Iron Valiant, Yepper, Meltan, and Relicanth. And we get some last pack magic. Skitty, Electabuzz, Mist Energy, Sandy Shocks, Metagross, and Erie. Oh wow, check out Erie. That's a cool card. Thanks for watching.